Hey guys, long time no see. It has been a long time since I made a hair video on this channel, so I figured why not show you guys my wash day routine and also my moisture routine. First, we'll be starting off with the Garnier Fructis Biotin C thickening shampoo and conditioner. I really like these two because it makes your hair very shiny and it makes it feel moisturized after I use it. So I'm going to go ahead and just wash my hair, and then I'll come back to you guys when we get to the styling and moisturization. Also, if you're new here, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so now we're getting into styling and moisturizing. I'm going to first detangle my hair again out the shower. I'm also going to add some oils today on my hair, so stay tuned. I picked up these packages from the mail. A company sent me their packages to try out for you guys, and I really want to try their oils to see what they're going to look like. So we have 3 to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this Detangler brush and this leave-in mist as well. I like to use leave-in mist instead of like heavy moisturizers right when I get out the shower because it's very lightweight. I'm going to take some of this hair growth oil and just massage my scalp really quick before I get into styling. And as you can see, that leave-in mist and the oils make my hair very shiny. So if you want to keep your hair moisturized for winter season, always use oils and use leave-in conditioners. They will be your best friends. So you can see this aloe vera oil left my hair very shiny. I'm going to go ahead and put on this cap to take it off in a few hours. And here's the shine that all of those products gave my hair. I will give it a 10 out of 10, and I definitely recommend. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.